gonna be fun. Patrick's gonna come down. We're gonna start him right here with the top of his pointy head. Patrick's a starfish, by the way. So that's basic shape is a star, just like this, like that. And then we're gonna give him some eyes here because they're gonna intersect with the star bit here. So there's his one eye. There we go, there's his second eye, just like that. Looking good. And he's got a funny Z. One way this, and then one way that for his eyebrows. That's fun. And then we're also gonna draw his big old fun mouth just like this. There we go. Bring it on down with a big laugh. Patrick's always laughing. There we are, just like that. Let's draw the tongue. And now we can draw his pupils just like that. Sweet. And now we can continue the star down like that. He's got a bit of a pudgy body, he does. So we'll bring it like this and that. And then he's got his underoos that he loves right about there, or his board shorts, whatever we want to call them. Let's not forget his belly button right there. Sweet, I like it. Okay, let's see here. Bring his bottom down like this here. There we go, we can bring this all the way around, we can, just like that. There's his pant leg. Looking good. I think we're going to do the same over here like this. There we are. And then he's a star, remember? So he doesn't really have feet. He's just got these pointy bits at the end of his star limbs, just like that. And then what we could do is bring his last arm up like this, because he's got his arms up cheering almost. He's a fun guy. Just like that. Let's bring a little elastic band type thing around his pants here. I like that. And then he's got some fun designs on his pants, I think. One there. Bring another one down here like this. Sweet. Looking really good. I think we've drawn Patrick, everybody, from SpongeBob. Let's get to the color. Patrick has a pink body and tongue, dark red mouth, green shorts, purple pattern, dark black eyes. Thanks, everyone.